So, welcome to my new video. This time I will show you how dbFlux can support you in developing Oracle Apex plugins. First of all, we have to create the plugin itself inside Apex, and then we are able to add the plugin to our workspace. In this time, or in this case, we have to run add Apex plugin, choose the application which will host our plugin, and then we have to enter the plugin static identifier. And this will create an empty directory structure inside a plugin folder, and we are asked to create the Apex plugin JSON file. This file can be filled out to deploy the plugin to apex.word. So then we have the empty structure. We can export the plugin itself, choose the one, and now dbFlux will um, ask the database for the right plugin ID and then starts the export of the plugin itself, and we will find it under the source directory of the directory structure we already created. So this will take a moment, and then we will find the plugin itself in this file, and we can deploy and share this one as we are used to, just in SQL file. But the benefit of using dbFlux is to work with other files as well. So we will export the static plugin files of the plugin, which will be unzipped into the directory. And then we will find this one, for example, is JSON as JavaScript files inside the JS folder. And here we can just, as always, create or modify our files. This is just for demo. And then with Control Alt B or compile current plugin file, we can minify the JavaScript file, create a map file, and upload this one, upload the file itself to Apex. And inside the plugin, we can reference this one by using just the string. And now we are able to work with VSCode and dbFlux to modify our plugin files and export the plugin itself into the file system and check it in by using Git. So that's all. Thank you very much. Until next time.